Gold has officially hit $100,000 per ounce. Can you believe it? This isn't just a number, it's a signal of something much bigger happening in our world. So what does this mean for you and your money? Well, let's dive in. Hyperinflation is knocking at our doors, global tensions are rising, and there's this eerie feeling of collapsing trust in fiat currencies. Honestly, it was only a matter of time before we got here. Picture this. Central banks across the globe are in full-on panic mode. They've been hoarding gold like it's the last cookie in the jar. And billionaires, they've been quietly stockpiling their shiny assets for months, knowing that this moment was on the horizon. They saw it coming, and now we're all feeling the ripple effect. Now let's talk about the US dollar. Is this the beginning of the end for it as the world's reserve currency? Think about it. For decades, the dollar has stood strong. But with gold hitting this astronomical price, the landscape is shifting. Investors are starting to wonder if they should ditch their dollars for something more stable. And what about Bitcoin? It popped into our minds, didn't it? As gold climbs, cryptocurrencies are also feeling the heat. Are we heading towards a future where digital currencies reign supreme? Or will gold remain that ultimate safe haven? Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing that gold has now skyrocketed to $250,000 per ounce. What would you do? Would you rush to buy gold? Would you sell everything you have and invest in cryptocurrencies? Or would you hold on to your cash with a scared grip, hoping it won't lose its value overnight? We're stepping into a new financial reality, and it's shaking the foundations of our economy. Picture the stock market. It's unpredictable right now. One day it's soaring, and the next it's crashing. Companies are struggling, and people are starting to feel the pinch. Are we on the brink of a financial crisis? Let's not forget about those who are still skeptical. They'll say, oh, gold's just a shiny rock. But when inflation hits and the dollar's buying power takes a nosedive, who do you think will be laughing? The ones who invested in gold while everyone else was busy ignoring the warning signs. As we watch this unfold, the question on everyone's mind is, what's next? Maybe we'll see more people flocking to physical gold, or perhaps a surge in alternative investments. The economy is like a game of chess. Every move counts, and you have to think several steps ahead. And here's a thought. What if governments begin to back their currencies with gold again? It sounds crazy, right? But in times of uncertainty, anything is possible. If that happens, we could see a revival of the gold standard, making gold more valuable than ever. So how are you feeling about all of this? Are you ready to make some moves, or are you just going to sit back and watch as the world shifts beneath your feet? Remember, with every tick of the clock, the financial landscape is changing. What's your plan? Is it time to rethink your investments? Are you prepared for the upheaval that could lie ahead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear from you. How are you navigating this brave new world of finance? And don't forget to follow for the full story. The journey is just beginning, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of it.